this video, we're gonna see some professional templates that you're gonna use in your website to look more professional. So for that, we will simply go to the search engine and type free blogger templates. So I will go to the first option only, and here we will click on free blogger templates, and here you can see there are so many options. So for now I will select the first option only, and if we drop down here, okay, here three options you can see: live preview, buy and download. So right now I will click on live preview. So let's see how it will look. Okay, so this theme has a multi drop down option, and if we go down here, social media plugins, it will also show popular post. We can give YouTube links, and if we down, okay, in the footer also it is a social plugin it's given, and also we can give menu in the footer. Okay, so uh, yeah, we can download the free version, but we have to give credit at the footer for this website. So for right now I will click on download, and it will download the free zip file. So in the next video we will extract the file and upload the theme in our blogger website. So see you in the next video.